Hi, I'm Deborah from Clatskanie Co-operative, and I'm here with Si, who's one of our great installers and helpers extraordinaire, and will
Hi, everybody.
besides myself, if you ever have a problem or you need some help installing your antenna, he's going to be the guy to help you out. And thought maybe he could tell us a little bit about why he likes working together with us on the cooperative internet project.
Well, there's a lot of good things to say, and it's hard to pick a couple. But I think the most important part is that I work for the people of Clatskanie,
Yeah.
not just for Althea, not just for the co-op, not just for anybody, but for people that live here.
Yeah.
Good people, I think.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's really great to be able to provide our neighbors with like faster, cheaper internet, and
Yeah.
especially out on the rural areas where there wasn't a lot of choices before. We're helping people get connected here in town. So if you have any questions, give me or Si a call or hit us up on the Facebook page, and we'll be happy to get you connected. Thanks again.
Hi,
Bye.
everybody.